10, 9, ignition sequence starts. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32 minutes past the hour. Liftoff on Apollo 11.
Roger, we got a roll from
Tower clear.
Roger, roll.
Hi everyone, let's unbox everything first. We got the keycaps from drop.com and the MT3 high-profile Godspeed base set and Milky Way novelties. We got some Durock V2 clear stabs, loop by loom keeps, and their Gateron boxing pink switches. I've never built a custom keyboard before, so that I always want to try, so today my friend is helping me build it from scratch. We look at a lot of YouTubers' builds, so we're going to put in the stabilizer pads first, and then the actual stabilizers. Actually, it's more tricky than I thought it would be. But I think we managed to put them all in correctly. The Kage kit comes with a polycarbonate plate, so next we're going to put in the switches. We didn't get a switch fork, so we were using these small gadgets to help us. It's pretty tricky. We chose the O-ring mount to get the keyboard more flex, and then we put in the keycaps, which are high profile and space themed. On the F row, we actually ranked all the solar system planets by order, from F1 to F13, which is very cool. Alright, let's look at the RGB and how this board looks. The copper backplate looks amazing and is engraved with these geometric symbols: triangle, square, and circle. Squid Game maybe? I love the frosted polycarbonate case and how the RGB diffuses through it, as well as the curvature of the copper weight. Are you ready for some sound test? Thank you everyone for watching this video. This is my first time building a custom keyboard. We might build some more in the near future, and on this channel, we're also going to do a lot of fun things together when I'm bored. Thank you for watching, and if you like this content, please leave a follow.